It exists. A way out. You can finally learn to cook for yourself, and even better, you'll learn the right way, based on
science and research.
not just how your mama taught you or what some celebrity TV chef said. And you can learn from anywhere with videos in digestible chunks of a few minutes each. Instead of browsing Instagram, learn how to feed the fam. Kickstart Your Kitchen is made to actually teach you, not just entertain you as you mindlessly watch another recipe video. Or some angry Brit who's yelling about you, you're all idiots and you could go shove a tomato up your ass. Instead, you'll learn how to cook with a focus on techniques over recipes. You'll get your kitchen set up and organized, learn how to plan and shop, and all the other stuff that goes into running a kitchen that most people don't talk about. But the best part, if I do say so myself, is that you'll be learning from me, a random dude on the internet. You'll be learning from me, an electrical engineer who hyperanalyzes everything so you don't have to. He researches through all of the crap and boils it down into helpful graphics, calculators, and videos, all of which is super easy to come back and reference. Plus, he's a guy you'll laugh with, but you'll also laugh at. I mean, look at him. He's talking to himself in the third person. Whoa, that was weird. Yeah, it was. Anyways, before you ask, yes, this course will transform your cooking game, regardless of if you're brand new in the kitchen or you've been cooking for years. Don't believe me? Go to kickstartyourkitchen.com to learn how this course will work for you based on your experience.